Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry for the background noise. There's no way for me to not have it, so I really apologize for that. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my curly hair routine. I just got out of the shower, as you can see. My hair is still wet, but it is drying pretty quickly. So let's just get right into the video. So to start off, I first like to wet my hair, and I can't find my spray bottle thingy that I just moved like 2 weeks ago, and I can't find anything, so I'm just gonna use the water from the sink and just wet my hair with my hands. Okay, so now that my hair is more wet, what I like to do is I like to go in with my heat protectant, which is this one by L'Oreal. It's just really simple, basic one. I just like to go in and spray my hair just a little, just because I am going to be using my blow dryer with the diffuser in it, and I don't want to damage my hair. Well, so sorry, my ring light doesn't want to work anymore. It's just having some issues. So I'm just gonna keep going with just the bathroom lighting, just right there. So I apologize for that again, but it's all good. It's all good. We're gonna keep going. The next thing I'm gonna use is this creme brulee by Curls, and this thing is my favorite thing currently to put on my hair. And I'm just gonna grab kind of like this amount, and I'm just gonna work in sections. So I like to work in the front areas first and then make my way back. I don't go through each individual curl, if that makes sense. I just kind of work in small sections and just spread the product all over. And that's just pretty much what I do with this. And as you can see, I don't really like to comb my hair once I'm out of the shower, because I actually comb my hair while I'm conditioning it. So once I get out of the shower, I just like to do this and then scrunch my hair up like this, just a little. I just feel like if I comb my hair, the curls don't hold up as well. So that's why I don't do it as often. But this is pretty much all I do for the hair products, and now let's go on to drying my hair. So for my hair dryer, I just use this Conair one I got at Walmart for like $25 maybe, I don't really remember, but it was a pretty inexpensive one, and it did come with this end and also the diffuser. And what I like to do is first I like to go in with this end and just kind of go around my hair and just blow dry it a little bit so it's not as wet before I go in with the diffuser, because I feel like it takes less time to dry my hair if I do it this way. So that's just what I'm gonna do. to go in with the diffuser and just diffuse my hair. I don't like to leave it 100% dry, just like as close as dry as possible. And that's pretty much what I'm gonna do now. And I think this is gonna be the final step. Sometimes at the end though, I do like to add some oil to my hair so it looks a little more shiny. And the one that I use is this one. But I don't know if I'm gonna use it today. We'll see once I finish diffusing my hair. Okay, so that's just about as much diffusion as I do in my hair. And now I'm just gonna let my hair fully dry, and I'll come back once my hair is dry so you can see the final results. Okay, so this is the final look. This is what my hair ends up looking like after that whole process. And I did style my hair just with this little pin right here. And this is pretty much all I'm gonna do today. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you do anything different with your hair routines, I know everyone's hair is different. So comment down below what you do to do your curly hair. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.